Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so let's get started. For DIY number 1, we're going to be using Dollar Tree tumbling tile blocks, and we're going to be using Gorilla wood glue to glue our pieces together. I'm using a ruler just to keep everything nice and straight. So essentially we're going to be gluing together 11 of the tile blocks together to make a row. And we're going to be needing 2 rows for each of the palettes that we make. And you'll see how I do it in the video. Hey guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm just checking in on you guys and to see how you're doing and that you're staying safe out there and keeping yourself healthy. I'm wishing you guys many, many blessings. And now we're going to be doing the sides, and you're going to need 5 tumbling blocks glued together to create 2 rows for each of the panels. Well, if it's your first time here, well, thank you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate you taking the time and watching my videos. And if you are into high-end DIY projects on a budget, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have many, many more videos to show you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And share with your family and friends. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. And now we're going to be attaching each of the sides together. So we created a total of 4 panels, and now we're going to stack them together using the wood glue to create our design. Alright guys, so once we get everything nice and sturdy, we're going to be using our permanent glue and hot glue to place our mirror tiles that I got off Amazon, and I'll link it in the description box if you're interested. And we're going to apply those mirror tiles right onto our project to give it a nice, beautiful effect. To fit this particular frame dimension, I use about 40 of the mirror tiles. Alright guys, so we're going to be take it up a notch, and we're going to be applying this beautiful rhinestone chain that I got off Amazon. Everything will be linked in the description box for you guys. And I'm using Dollar Tree glue to apply this chain onto our piece. I think it's going to look very beautiful. Alright. And now we're going to be working on the perimeter of this project, and we're going to be using the 527 permanent glue and attach our sparkly blingy ribbon around the perimeter to give it a blingy effect. Okay, I'm also going to use a smaller piece of the blingy rhinestone strip to cover the bottom part where the other one did not cover. And you will see also at the end of the project, I did add one row going across where the two of them meet of the silver bling chain, just to give it an added effect and to kind of camouflage the separation there, because as you notice, I didn't paint the wood prior to me applying the rhinestones. And now I'm going to be using Dollar Tree diamond wrap to cover up the inner part of this project. And what I did was I kind of measure how much I'm going to need for the inside and cut 4 little strips and just applying them right inside there. And I'm using this little bowls I got from Dollar Tree, and you're going to be using 2 for this project. And what we're going to do, we're going to stack them right on top of each other. So right now you have one on the bottom, and we're just going to apply permanent glue and hot glue. And I also end up using a little wooden piece to put right in the middle, as you'll see here, just to give it extra hold. I don't know if it does anything, but so it could stick better, I guess. And I applied the top part right onto each other, so to give it a nice little design. And for the wooden piece, all I did was cut a little piece of the popsicle stick, and I flipped it over so I could paint it, because I like a finished look, that metallic Rustoleum color. And then we're gonna be using this planter I got from Target, and we're gonna be painting it that metallic color to give it a nice effect. Alright guys, so for DIY number 2, I'm going to be using these beautiful trucks I saw at the Hobby Lobby store. And what I'm going to be doing is paint it, and I'm going to bling it out. So you could use your discretion on how you want to bling it. I'm mostly using the rhinestones strips that I got from Amazon. And I put a strip right on the bottom. And I'm using also the rope bling rhinestones, and using some of Dollar Tree glue just to add some embellishment. And for the headlights, I did go ahead and use 2 little gemstones that I had laying around. So you can use any of the Dollar Tree gemstones, for example, and just to give it a more blingy look. And for this project, there's no set way of decorating it or embellishing it. You just do it as you see fit. All right. All right, guys, I'm so excited. It's time for the reveal. Oh my goodness, guys. This turned out so beautiful. I love the design of it, all the bling. Well, let me know what you guys think. I'm using it as our planter because it's springtime, and I think it'll look great on the coffee table, anywhere actually in your home. But you could put anything in that little space there. Just remove the little planter. You could put candles. You could use it as your key holder or whatever you need that little space to be. And look at our truck planter. It looks really beautiful and blingy, and I think it complements each other on any table setting. Well, let me know what you guys think of these beautiful DIY projects, and let me know which one is your favorite and where would you consider putting these beautiful projects in your home. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching these beautiful projects. I do appreciate you guys so much. And if you're not part of the family, what are you waiting for? I have more to show you guys. I try to create really beautiful DIY projects on a budget for your home. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And comment down below which one is your favorite and where would you put this beautiful piece. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the channel. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.